This video is brought to you by me and Charlie, and we're gonna keep you fit this holiday. So how do you stay fit for the holidays? We're just gonna jump on into it because A, you don't have time. B, you've either got a real child or a fur child, or your family's going crazy, your friends are going crazy, and life is nuts. So from us to you, this is gonna keep you in shape, fit, feeling good for the holidays. And make sure to stay until the very end of the video because I'm giving you 3 healthy snacks that you can do to stay fit during December and all of the crazy holidays. Okay, let's just get into the video. So I want you to think of your normal routine. And I know that sounds super basic, but you wanna think of your normal routine and what you always do. So I'm gonna tell you a little story, okay? I went to San Diego like a few weekends ago, and I was a little bit out of my element. So I live in LA, Orange County to be specific, and I didn't take my car because if you've ever been to SD or San Francisco or anywhere with a bunch of incline and you're like me, you don't like to park your car on the street and drive up the hill because I'm a big baby. So what ended up happening was I lifted and Ubered every single place and walked because I didn't want to deal with the parking, and also you have to pay extra for parking everywhere, and I was like, no, that's a no. I decided to just do it the tourist way. And I ended up in a situation where I was like, okay, well, if I get food at every single place that I'm at for this whole time that I'm here, then I'm gonna A, spend a lot of money, and B, buy a lot of things that I normally wouldn't eat just out of being hungry, and that could be at all times of the day, especially if you're working out, burning a bunch of calories. I mean, if you're super active, basically. So I decided to go on a little exploration, and I found a store called Jimbo's, and that's kind of like a Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, if that's familiar for you. Every Thursday, I always go to Whole Foods, and that's a part of my normal routine. So I don't do that every single day, but I was on the go. So if you're traveling a lot this holiday, or you find yourself in a situation where you don't have everything at your hand, you don't have your car, you can't just go get it. If you're at your aunt's house, your grandma's house, your cousin's house, and you're kind of like, okay, well, I don't have my normal things in my mini fridge or my things that I would just go and get, and that's kind of making me out of my element, then this is gonna be something that helps you. So what's your normal routine? You go and you get certain things, you eat certain things. Then I want you to go and find a store that is similar to the things that you get all the time. And that's gonna help you because you can buy the same things and you may not have everything, but you'll have a lot of the things, and your body is used to those things all the time. So during the holidays, we experience retaining a lot of water, being bloated, and that just sucks, and you feel like crap. You're like eventually eating a bunch of foods that are different, and most people gain like 5-10 pounds over the whole month, and that kind of sucks, and you don't want that. So if you want to stay healthy, stay fit during your holiday, I would recommend just stick to your routine and try to do what's familiar and normal for you. And for me, that was going to a store that I always go to every single week. And that's what I did in SD, and that's what you should do over the holidays. Number 2, this one is all about holiday drinks, treats, and in no way am I saying that you should not indulge. Like, you should indulge, you should have fun, you should have the things that light you up over the holiday season. For me, it's eggnog. I love eggnog. It's baked treats like the cranberry bliss bar. I know it's kind of like a mainstream holiday thing, but I love it, and it's really, really hard for me not to buy them all the time. When it comes to that, I mean, there are so many free resources and people, including myself, who make copycats that are healthy. Copycats of recipes, copycats of drinks, copycats of basically everything that you can think of during the holidays. So yes, it's gonna require a little bit more work, but think about all the time that you spend in the drive-thru at Starbucks. Think about all the time that you spend going to buy a bunch of things when you could really just narrow down maybe 3-5 treats that you really like and pick a certain time to make them. Spend that time with family, friends, your significant other, your dog, your cat, and just bake those treats and watch a fun movie for the holidays. And it's better because you are probably not gonna put all that crap in there that they put at the mainstream places. So that's my tip number 2, how to stay healthy, how to stay fit during the holidays. Don't be so grab and go. Sometimes you gotta slow down, you gotta go and get some ingredients, do it the old-fashioned way, and make some stuff, because you can take out a bunch of that crap. And when something, it's not about the calories, but when something is like 1,000 calories and all this extra sugar and icing, 9 times out of 10 you can make something way more delicious and yummy at home that's actually like hot and fresh that you really want to eat, and you get way more for your money, trust me. Okay, so my 3rd tip, and I really like this one because I've been here every single day of December giving you easy, quick workouts that you don't need the gym for. And okay, you're busy, you don't have 30 minutes, you don't have 2 hours, you don't have an hour to spend in the gym, you've got your fancy parties, you know, you're like looking all cute, and I get you, but you have 7 minutes, and don't tell me you don't have 7 minutes to do a plank. Anybody can do a plank, do some breathing exercises, get your body moving, and this doesn't have to be an all-day thing. You know, you don't have to stop what you're doing and just be like, okay, well, I'm not gonna go and do my thing, my plan, my gift exchange, my work party, because I've got to spend all these hours in the gym. No, girl, you've got your body and you've got exercises at your fingertips, so why don't you use them? I posted booty band workouts, resistance band workouts. I'm gonna be uploading today a workout for your bra fat, your bra bulge, so you can work your upper body. You don't have to slam the weights every single day to stay in shape. And during the month of December, most people gain at least maybe 5 to 10 pounds, and you don't want that. You don't want to feel like that. You don't even want to feel out of your element, because the person that goes after their 2020 goals is doing that right now. The person that is setting up their intention for how they want to be the next decade is making those small, consistent moves right now, every single day. And that could be a 5-minute exercise. That could be a 7-minute exercise. Just because you're not hitting the gym hard for 2 hours a day, it doesn't mean that you're not getting there. The person that makes those slow, consistent movements every single day is the one that normally sticks with it, that doesn't start and stop and drop and quit by February, and they're like, oh yeah, I had that goal, I should start over, I should try again. You know what I mean? So thank you for staying towards the end. So now I'm gonna share with you 3 easy snacks that you can make that are super healthy, and you only need a few ingredients, and you can kind of change these up. This is the base of what you're gonna need: cookie butter. If you like peanut butter, then you're not 100% necessarily gonna love cookie butter because it's totally different, but it's the same kind of consistency. I 100% think that you're gonna love cookie butter because it smells delicious. So it kind of smells similar to like a graham cracker. Let me read it to you. If you like gingerbread and you like graham cracker, then you might like this. So it's not crunchy. It doesn't have any kind of weird consistency in it at all. I don't know if you can see that. This is a spread of reminiscent gingerbread and made with crushed biscuits. What they advertise for this is spread on pancakes or waffles, peanut butter and cookie sandwiches, served on ice cream, dipped pretzels. And let me just tell you a little bit about it right now. Serving size for this is 1 tablespoon, 90 calories, 5 grams of sugar is what you need to know. This cookie butter spread is amazing. It's so good. And you can put this on bread. And I brought the bread that I currently am using right now. This is from Trader Joe's, whole grain, nothing special. So that's one. If you want to do something like a toast, like at night with a nice warm drink, you guys, it is so good. And you can even do half like this and toast it. And you can make little cutouts, like little Christmas tree cutouts. Now, I did this the other day and I didn't video it or take pictures of it. And I thought, like, do I delay it another week and not tell you about it? Or do I just jump on and tell you, like, this is what you could do? So ignore the fact that I don't have like all the perfect B-roll on here for you, but you should do it. So little cute cutouts, Christmas trees of this cookie butter toasted on bread is gonna be so delicious. If you are going for more low carb and you don't want to do a bread, you can always dip celery. Carrots might be a little bit weird. I think that you can't knock it until you try it, but carrots or celery is up to you. Even strawberries with this bread would be delicious. It's that good. Like, you're gonna have a hard time only doing a tablespoon. That is, what, 3-4 different snack ideas for this cookie butter. You also could put it on pancakes. You also could put it on waffles. Like, I just love it. And I'm sure you're gonna love it too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you are ready to stay fit for the holidays, because you can do it. You can be the version of yourself for 2020 that you're imagining right now. All you have to do is be consistent. Stick to what you've been doing, be consistent, show up for yourself every day, even if it's just a 5, 6, 7 minute video. That is better than nothing. And I am slaying it with you all month of December. We've got videos, workouts, recipes every single day. So I'm here, I'm Irene, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!